You remember the bow and arrow cast?
Sure.
See this?
Yeah, I remember that.
You almost have to do it here. Just wink. Got one.
Oh, you did?
Yep.
Awesome. Yeah, that one actually looked like what I got.
Oh, awesome, dude.
Except it was smaller.
That was a brookie. See that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, yeah, you got it. Cool. See if you can hold it like.
You gotta get a look at it. Here. I'll get my hand wet.
You should put it on this.
Oh, dude.
Just flappy.
See it?
Is this one wild? Yeah, it is.
It's a little brookie. That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is just beyond cool. Here.
Gotta let him.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Haha.
Got it again.
Another little brookie. We'll see if I can get the self one out for this guy. It's pretty cool.
Once there's a picture, it'll last longer.
We'll put him back. Or her.
Got it.
Grab it. Wet your hand. Wet your hand. No, wet your hand in the water. Put your hand in the water. There you go. Grab the fish. Okay. A little brookie. Cool. Still on. Put it in your hand. There you go. Can you get the hook out?
I don't know.
Here. Let it go. It's
Yeah,
cool, isn't it?
Yeah. It's still like there's just right behind there.
Good. Perfect. There we go. Oh, you see that?
Yeah.
Do it again. Up ahead of you here, right? And bring it back towards here. Oh, here.
You see that? That's my fish.
Sorry.
Ah!
Let him go.
Yeah.
He's good.
See
He's
the
good.
rock right there?
Ooh, you got him. No, we're busted.
Boink. There he goes.
Is he still on your line?
No, he's right there. Do you see him?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Now he's hiding under the rocks.
Yeah.
Oh no, there he is. That one?
Yeah, come here. Oops. Want to see him? Ugh. The brookie. See?
Cool. Some little wild one.
Yep. Oh, dude. There might be a fish right at the tail of that big pool. I'm seeing something kind of move.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a fish in here.
You didn't even see those veins pop up like that one is a fish. Oh!
See? Oops. There you go, dude. There's something there. Oh. Oops. Come here, dude. See him?
It's a pretty one.
A little brookie. If you see, pull it straight over the top of your head like this. There, that's it. Let it go. Perfect. Now lift up. Got him. Got him. Got him.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, that's a fish. Good deal. High five. That counts. It was cool. There's fish in here. All right.
Wow, Dad. Unbelievable. I did not expect fish to be in there.
Look at the colors on this guy.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, he's kind of stuck here.
That is so weird.